In this video, let us learn how to divide the number 455 by 5 using the long division method. See that 4 is less than 5, so we will consider the number 45. We know that 5 times 9 is 45. Subtract, we get a 0. Now 0 is less than 5, that is why we will bring down this number 5 here. Now see that this is the number 5. So we will remove this 0. And we know that 5 times 1 is 5. Subtract, we get a 0. As we have no number to bring down here and got the number 0, so we will stop. Therefore, 455 divided by 5 is equal to 91. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.